When we started making the series on normalization, we started off by explaining the factors or players that lead to a state of normalization. We explained the prepared environment. We explained freedom to choose work in the prepared environment within certain boundaries. We explained the inner guide that makes the child attempt tasks that are one level above her current capabilities, the same inner guide that adults also display. Till here, we were on track, just until we introduce human tendencies. I'm going to keep that for later, primarily because it's going to make us lose focus on finally understanding what normalization meant for Madame Montessori. I have gone back to my notes and my essays from my teacher training days. I have read and reread words spoken by Madame Montessori herself regarding normalization. I have pored over some excellent books that discuss research in the Montessori philosophy. And finally, I got my hands on the Bloomsbury Handbook of Montessori Education and attacked it to understand this thing called normalization. No, I'm not getting into the Normalization for Dummies by Rakesh in this post. In the next post, I will attempt to present the same, a very simple and powerful explanation of normalization and its importance not just in the Montessori world, but across the world and the society that we all live in.